How's it going, everybody? I'm your host Sean with Paper Planes, and welcome to my video review of the Ducky RGB Year of the Goat Edition keyboard. This is a high quality mechanical keyboard, and Ducky uses only genuine Cherry MX switches. I actually have the brown ones, but there are multiple switch varieties to choose from. This new Ducky keyboard has the most narrow bezel of any Ducky keyboard available. I absolutely love that. I love modern, sleek look, and this is perfect for my style. It also comes with two folding stage feet that are located on the back of the keyboard, and this is perfect for those of you who like alternate angles when typing. It's powered by a micro USB cable, which is an improvement over the previous mini USB cables as it's much more common to use. Also, you can disconnect it, and it helps with cable management and storage purposes. This keyboard is also the first model that comes with ABS double-shot backlit keycaps. What this does is it's got two different plastic coatings on the keys so that the lettering doesn't wear out. And of course, what most of you are here for, the RGB backlighting effects. I'm going to show you guys all of the modes so you can sit back and enjoy those now. And last but not least, you get to my favorite mode, the custom mode, of which there are two options, both of which you can personalize your own colors for each individual key. Now, of course, there's plenty more to this keyboard with macros and other technical jargon, but you can find all that information on the Ducky website itself. I wanted this review to solely show off the keyboard itself, the beauty of it, and the design. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned for more videos just like this.